We are here live with Teddy Marks after a solid 9-2 victory for the RMT Wolves over the SAG Sagbag. Tonight, how did the game go, Ted?
Pretty good. We fought back pretty hard there in the third.
They are down there for sure.
You know, Garbage got us going with that late one to make it 3-2, and then me and Vatty and Vic popped in a couple at the end, so went well.
Now
we got a little bit of revenge against those fucking saggy bags.